In this video we are looking at round functions in Microsoft Excel. So the first one here, round, will round a number up or down depending on which is closest to a decimal which you specify. So there's round. Let me quickly get this dialog box here, and the first one is you choose the number that you actually want to round, and then like I said, you specify the number of digits that you want to round to. So I'm going to use 2 digits here, and because it's 5,518, the 8 makes it round to 2. So it's 52 now. And there we go. The next one is round down. Does exactly what it says. It will round down to the decimal that you specify, regardless of whether it's closer or not. So if I choose that, and I choose this number over here, let's say we want to round down to the 3rd decimal over there, which will make it 354. If I used round and I said regular round, and I said the 3rd decimal, this would have gone to 5. But now it goes to 4 because it's rounding down. Then round up does the exact opposite of round down. So round up will round up to the decimal that you specify. So I'm going to choose this number, and I'm actually going to say for number of digits, I'm going to say 0. So this goes to 36, even though it's 2. Closest round would definitely have been 35, but because this is round up, it goes to 36. And there we go. Int is a little bit different. It will always round down to the whole number. So regardless of what the decimal value is, which in this case is 6, so the closest is 76, but it's always going to go down to the whole number, which in this case is 75. So that's what that does. Trunc will cut off the decimals that you specify. So it will keep the decimal that you specify, and the rest it will simply cut it off. It won't round anything. So same thing, choose the number and then choose the number of decimals. I'm going to choose 3 again. And if that was going to be rounded, like with regular round function, it would have gone to 505. But this is trunc. It's simply cutting off those decimals. And that's it.